Yellowstone, you don't know this is Jackie Ross, a big up DJ Yellow. You don't know Wani and Junior, you see me?
You smile bright like the sun in the morning sky.
This one is a bombshell.
When you're around, I enjoy every second of the time. There's no other place that I'd rather be than right here with you and me, and you will live it up, love. I've got this love for you, this love for you. Give you my heart, life's a feel like we want it to. And this love for you, this love for you. Deep in my heart, I feel we were born in love. This love for you, this love for you. Me and you ready, we're gone, ain't nothing stopping us. No, 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 no. We have our disagreements and cause sometimes, but afterwards we make it up, that a part of life. Hey, you never violate the loyalty, remain the same since the first day you came. Hey, someone make her the queen of my palace. That ranking thing, and she love it. Woman to keep, if them a girl, ride or die. You know where she going, talk about hit, she hot, growing. Proud and shining like the stars. Got this love for you, this love for you. Give you my heart, life's a feel like we want it to. And this love for you, this love for you. Deep in my heart, I feel we were born in love. This love for you, this love for you. Me and you ready, we're gonna.
Baby, can you give me a minute of your time?
Yellowstone.
Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can I be your sunshine and no?
Pull up this song now, eh? Hey, yo, jello! Hey, yo, jello! Hey, yo, jello!
Baby, can you give me a minute of your time? Yeah. Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can Can I be a sunshine in the rain? Smile so different, not the same. Beautiful energy I entertain. Can I be the safe space on your brain? I give you joy, no need to complain. And I like to know the things that make you smile, baby. Is that okay? Let me know when you're ready. Come on, come on, come on, come on, girl. You know I'll be waiting. Come on, girl. Yeah. In my arms, this is the place that you belong. Long as you're there with me ready to keep you warm. Living in love, we connect it up, we carry on. Yeah, yeah. Can you be my baby? Y'all you me want, and nobody no match up to you. Enough of them a try, but none of them no catch up to you. Need you in my life, and me I tell you it's up to you. Can you be my baby? My forever baby, eh? Me girl, some of them a try, but them don't face me, eh? You have what it takes to drive me crazy, eh? Just give me a date and me a pull up a gate. Candle light, dinner set it at 8, no light. Let me know when you're ready. Come on, come on, come on, come on, girl. You know I'll be waiting. Come on, girl. Yeah. In my arms, this is the place that you belong. Long as you're there with me ready to keep you warm. Living in love, we connect it up, we carry on. Yeah, yeah. Can you be my baby? Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can I be a sunshine in the rain? Smile so different, not the same. Beautiful energy I entertain. Can I be the safe space on your brain? I give you joy, no need to complain. And I like to know the things that make you smile.
Girl, you got me going. Take your time, let love begin.
This one is a bombshell.
Because it's alright now. Let me take you further, let me take you higher now. You got me going in.
idol. Yeah, the maddest, baddest. Yeah, now. Yeah, now. Yo, this is Ginger, the reggae soul man. And right now, me I represent for DJ Idol. And me I say DJ Idol, you rough and tough. Yeah, the maddest, baddest. Yeah, now. Yeah, now. DJ Idol, you run things 24/7. A Ginger said that. Get up now, stand up now, fight for something right. For there comes a day when you'll have to pay. Get up now, stand up now, fight for something right. DJ Idol, play the music for the masses.
She's mine. I just want them to see that they can't stop my time.
DJ Idol, rough and tough.
Man, I know he that I'm a soul divine. Yeah. Close your eyes against me, Jaguar and show them sign. Oh well, they won't keep me down. I just keep on coming around. Keep on coming around. I just keep on coming around. You pick me up, you lick me down, me bounce right back. Me sip it like a crowd, them can't catch me, not them trap. Me fit like athlete, where they on the track. I give me the talk of phone, make me show you what me got. If not, no but, I don't know maybe that. I make them go and chat, cause me solid like rock. In a music game, them no one give me props. I bet them never know, say I me them can't stop. They won't keep me down. I just keep on coming around. Keep on coming around. I just keep on coming around. It looks like they won't win the fight. You too uptight, might can't beat right, no. And they said, what am I not for dead? They put a price on my head. They even stole my bread, yeah. They won't keep me down. I just keep on coming around. Keep on coming around. I just keep on coming around. Keep on coming around. I just keep on coming around. Yeah. Keep on coming around. I just keep on coming around. Keep on coming around. Keep on coming around. Yeah, yeah. Free music. Keep on coming around. Just keep on coming around. Yeah, yeah. Keep on coming around.
Hey. Bro, say, whoa, yeah. Life goes on. Whoa, yeah. We keep pushing on. Whoa, yeah. Life goes on. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Just keep pushing on. Yes, yes. After these 400 years of blood, sweat, and tears, we've been still treated so unfair. We've been robbed, raped, and chastised. Yes. one to compromise. No. They have us living down here in bondage. Yes, yes. Hey, they call they treat us like savage. Hey, bro, say, whoa, yeah. Life goes on. Whoa, yeah. We keep pushing on. Whoa, yeah. Life goes on. Whoa, yeah. Just keep pushing on. They say repatriation is a must. Stepping into Africa, wow, with the surplus. No wait and no one to make that decision. No. So we use their same words. Free from Leviticus, back to Exodus. Cause revelation is a must. Hey! So say, whoa, yeah. Life goes on. Whoa, yeah. We keep pushing on. Whoa, yeah. Life goes on. Whoa, yeah. Just keep pushing on.
Struggle. So let's yeah. Hear them say everything we do will fail. Every move I struggle out there. Yeah. Me said well, success is a word in my name. Be a gunner wish man dead. Some will say they knew I won't make it, but I will say they lied. I took my shot from the free throw line. Things are stepping up, I'm certain. I must rise. So while them talk, man, I work and play. Work and play, them a chat all day. Me hear them talk, yes, well I'm and pray. Me put them to shame for the things they say. Yes, hey, took your mask off, see me face, yeah. Don't listen when they pagan talk. Them want me fall, like a damn me know. You go sit down and laugh. Stand off, stay far if you carry dirty heart. No bad vibes, no failure, them a walk witchcraft, you know. Up front and talk to me. All of your money, you go spend it all. It's like them lock the doors and them never left no passing me. Waste time can't get me out. So while them talk, man, I work and play. Work and play, them a chat all day. Me hear them talk, yes, well I'm and pray. I put them to shame for the things they say. Trouble never set me now for york, some me praise ya. Sometimes me try to take it for fun. I side the pagan and them followers. Them a walk with long gun. Rasta man say straight fire bun. Yeah, I hear the loose lip and the mix up make the history not fi run. Them never stop until enough get a youth lay down. Them hear about the fire and run come sit down. See fire give them Rasta, Riddim and drum. So while them talk, man I work and play. Work and play, them a chat all day. Me hear them talk, yes well I'm and pray. We put them to shine for the things they say. I hear them talk, man I work and play. Work and play, them a chat all day. Me hear them talk, and I walk and pray. Judgment for the things they say. Hey. Each each and every day. Oh, King of Kings and Lord of Lords, I know there is a better way. Protect I take I as I am the rocky way. But it's by you alone and only you that I live to see another day. I keep holding on. I'm a real raga, hey. I'm moving on. Rastafari progressing every day. Well, if you're right, I offend you, pluck it out right away. If you're right enough, and you chop it off. Bad influence is worse than a sinking ship. If you don't take it and pay the cost. I hold my meds by the riverside. Under the fittest of the fittest shall live. Do the good you can today, for the time is now. Tomorrow may not be a privilege. I'm holding on. I'm a real raga, hey. I'm moving on. Rastafari progressing every day. I now look no friend from society. Real raga, so I be. And I'm not afraid of the enemy. Rastafari guide I and I. Raga me raga and not just Summitan. I naga about to no wicked Babylon. I know myself and I know who I am. I'm a real raga, yeah. I'm holding on. I'm a real raga, yeah. I'm moving on. Rastafari progressing every day. I'm holding on. I'm a real raga, yeah. I'm moving on. Rastafari progressing every day. So why do we fight and struggle each and every day?
I'm grateful for the sun that shines, and I'm grateful for the good that gives me life, and I'm grateful for the good ones around me, and the lessons from those who betray me. And I'm grateful for the strength that I'm given, and for all of my daily blessings. So grateful for the love that surrounds me, and I'm so thankful for life. Yes, I'm grateful, grateful. And everything I've been through has made me who I am today. So I'm grateful, grateful. Oh, and there's no battle that I didn't win. Every living day I remain so grateful. Things get
in the place. Airborne shoes and no something where you lace. And no belt them a sport in a waist. As some semi-automatic with if you clap it in your face. It's the new found love in the place. Airborne shoes and no something where them lace. And no belt them a sport in a waist. As some semi-automatic. Can't scare them with prison. And them not afraid of jail. Nickel brand there. Them knock it like a nail. So them done dead already and them soul gone all. So them not there. The badness just a pupil. Tap my eyes and see some make mother come die for them. And them still not change. Still love the long rifle. Them is a bloody world. Right now crime can't prevent. Seems like the youths don't want a long life again. Dog blood red in the street more than the stoplight. Them a youth that do the crime for the spotlight. Saying a badness, them Christian and baptized. So them no care if the action not right. Violence is the newfound love in the place. Airborne shoes and no something where you lace. And no belt them a sport in a waist. And some semi-automatic with if you clap it in your face. It's the newfound love in the place. Airborne shoes and no something with them lace. And no belt them a sport in a waist. And some semi-automatic with if you clap it, yeah. Nobody fit turn to. Inna them your time and evil woman of hurt you. If your wise work with the square, not trust the circle. Cause your own a friend a planet of the dirt yo. Every man got a goal and dream where fi work to. Them no one that them said that slow like it a turtle. And it no certain can't bother with the burden. But a danger when the fast lane convert a person. That's why violence is the newfound love in the place. Airborne shoes and no something where you lace. And no belt them a sport in a waist. As some semi-automatic with a big clap it in your face. It's the newfound love in the place. Airborne shoes and no something with them lace. And no belt them a sport in a waist. As some semi-automatic with a big clap it.
Fancy pain from the war and God. Now is the time to free your mind. Free like a bird in a tree. Free from others' captivity. Let me take you to a place where you can free your mind. A place of love and joy and peace. No war, no crime. Take a closer walk to nature. Get connected with the Savior. Time to live in love. No war, no violence and crime. Oh Lord, them attitude mislead the youth, yeah. Them steal the food, but them can't kill the root, no. Marcus prophecy, them want dilute, yeah. No few them choose, them turn out execute that. Jah never let us down. All the faith and keep us solid down. Jah never let us down. There is a will, there's always a way, yeah. We're heading to Mount Zion. It's where the prophets belong. 9 miles out of the city. Black Marcus say it a go red, it a go pretty, sticky. Them attitude mislead the youth, yeah. Them steal the fruit, but them can't kill the root, no. Marcus prophecy, them want dilute, yeah. A few them choose, them turn out execute that. Free like a bird in the tree. See the beauty of the land and the sea, yeah. Free like a bird in the tree. Nature is there for you and me, yeah. Take you to a place where you can free your mind. A place of love and joy and peace. No war, no crime. Take a closer walk to nature. Get connected with the Savior. Time to live in love, no war, no violence and crime. Oh Lord, attitude mislead Them can't kill the root, no. Marcus prophecy, them want dilute it. A few them choose them turn round execution. Judge never let us down. All your faith to keep us solid ground. Judge never let us down. There is a will. Judge never let us down.
Just the blessing and it's
positivity, boy, that I'm liberty, yeah. Gonna make me tell you this again. I'm tired of the negativity and all this dirty energy. Boy, now tell me when will it end? From me pick up this here microphone, won't you sing along with me? Feel a reggae rhythm, make we jam a little melody, yeah. I'll chant the song of truth and you can sing the harmony. Let's put some joy in the world. Cause teardrops keep falling like rain in the garden again. And the whole world's in trouble when the youth them off is suffer and I feel the pain. From the beginning there was two in the garden. I say now we were never meant to be alone. No. What make you fight against your brethren and sister? You never know, say we can make it on our own. Let's live as one and feel togetherness, and from cooperation, you know we're ever blessed. But if you live a life of grudge, well then you're ever stressed. And that's why these are times they are so perilous. Cause teardrops keep falling like rain in the garden again. And the whole world's in trouble when the youth them off is suffer and I feel the pain. Said that my philosophy is love, oh yeah. And the seed it was planted in my heart by the spirit of wisdom. No hypocrisy could ever get me down, no way. Lifted by the King and boy, I say my God is risen. Cause teardrops keep falling like rain in the garden again. And the whole world's in trouble when the youth them off is suffer and I feel the pain. Cause teardrops keep falling like rain in the garden again. And the whole world's in trouble when the youth them off is suffer and I feel the pain.
Bring me joy when I see your face. You're the prettiest woman in the human race, darling. A girl like you just can't be replaced. So I'll be sure to try not to make no mistakes, darling. I love how you don't give it up so easy. Not showing off your body just to tease me. The type of woman I can take to me, my mama. She's the only solution to my problems. Say it now, hey darling, what I've been waiting for. And I don't want no one but you. And I hope you feel the same way too. Hey darling, hey love, I wanna hold you close every day, love. Put your arms around my shoulders and make love. I wanna be the one that you think of in the nighttime, baby. Don't leave. I don't wanna be someone that you don't need. So if you're ever in trouble, just call me. Baby, I'm coming. Baby, I'm coming, running for you, girl. Hey, darling, you what I've been waiting for. And I don't want no one but you. And I hope you feel the same way too. Hey, darling. No, wondering if it's that easy. Please me, darling, don't you tease me, darling. I don't wonder if it's that easy. Hey, darling, you what I've been waiting for. And I don't want no one but you. And I hope you feel the same way too. Hey, darling, I'm waiting for. You really look so damn good tonight. So good, I wanna make you my wife. Yeah, you know you really look so damn good tonight.
Gratitude is the attitude. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The message is the blessing and it's crucial.
See positivity, boy, that I'm me live it here. Now make me tell you this again. I'm tired of the negativity and all this dirty energy. Oh, now tell me when will it end? From me pick up this here microphone, won't you sing along with me? Feel a reggae rhythm, make we jam a little melody. Yeah, I'll chant the song of truth and you can sing the harmony. Let's put some joy in the world. Cause teardrops keep falling like rain in the garden again. And the whole world's in trouble when the youth them off is suffer and I feel the pain. From the beginning there was two in the garden. I say now we were never meant to be alone. What make you fight against your brethren and sister? You never know, say we can make it on our own. Let's live as one and feel togetherness. And from cooperation, you know we're ever blessed. But if you live a life of grudge, well then you're ever stressed. And that's why these your times, they are so perilous. Cause teardrops keep falling like rain in the garden again. And the whole world's in trouble when the youth them off is suffer and I feel the pain. Said that my philosophy is love. Oh yeah, and the seed it was planted in my heart by the spirit of wisdom. No hypocrisy could ever get me down. No way. Lifted by the King and boy, I say my God is risen. Yeah. Cause teardrops keep falling like rain in the garden again. And the whole world's in trouble when the youth them off is suffer and I feel the pain. Cause teardrops keep falling like rain in the garden again. And the whole world's in trouble when the youth them off is suffer and I feel the pain.
Take it away, yeah. Run all the buckets round, yeah. Chase them away. I hear mama bawling. If I know the ballad box, then I the bullet from the gun, you know. Select a ball catches morning. You put her value under dress and put her soul under the ground, you know. Wanna know what I want in. Yeah, them wash them values like a dirty pot and then go turn it down. Then them go church Sunday morning. Go look protection from them God. Meanwhile them pastor have a gun. If it's not you I'm talking about, don't worry at all. Yeah. And we know why your hypocritical style. Why you're up out your flesh and make your face look spoil. Melanin in your skin for open your third eye. Now the truth in your face and from it you can't hide.
What would that happen if I eye for your eye? If we not look out for one another, everybody blind. Claim say them wise, but them can't see the signs. Now the moral sell out for a nickel and a dime. It's not you I'm talking about. Don't worry at all. Yeah. Yes. Balling out, mama balling out. Yes, yes. Yes. And if you really want to know what I wanted, then watch them values like a dirty pattern, then go turn it down. Then got church Sunday morning. Got no protection from them God while them pastor have a gun if it's not you. Oh, 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 I'm talking about this. Don't need to worry.
The love we have for each other so incredible. We are inseparable, never separate from we second. Yeah, you know, it's you and we, so let your will be done. Make I give you my love until your kingdom come, and you reap the reward of a beautiful son. You a Nubian queen woman, you fresh and done. She got that soft spot for the king's son from Kingston. Loving where she give me candon. You're more than royal, girl. You're more than session. We are inseparable. The love we have for each other so incredible. We are inseparable, never separate from we circle. I tell you this, I love you till I reach to heaven's gate. And if I reach there before you, baby, I will wait. We got polyp all over, say we got no faith. Come make we lock down and procreate. Beauty, anytime you smile, you infuse me. Hot to fit to man, you suit me. And you never live loosely. Absolutely, yeah. Woman, are you me sick and fine? I wanna be with you time after time, yeah. And age with you just like wine through the rain and sunshine, yeah. The heaven smile anytime we combine, yeah. I say I love you, my ferocious feline, royal and divine. I tell you one more time, yeah. And for you, you are mine. Woman of class and beauty. Anytime you smile, you infuse me. Yeah, hot to fit to man, you suit me. You never live loosely. I love you absolutely. Oh, oh. We are inseparable. The love we have for each other so incredible. We are inseparable. Can't separate when we circle. I wanna get rocking chair with you. It's together like wine, wine, wine. Rocking chair with you. It's together like wine, wine, wine.
You man, I'ma tell them say it's DJ Idol in a scene. Yeah, you man, the real top this track. Yeah, you man, the arch one that's in a boom. Out.
Yeah, yeah.